Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the VR channel. Today, me and... Wait, what's your name again?
Patrick. Let's go. Patrick, and we're doing crate hunting.
Oh yeah, so, we're gonna be looking for a crate. Oh, I don't even have anything to break open the crates. So, we're gonna be looking for a crate. Why is my helmet? Okay, we're gonna be opening crates. And yeah, I don't know if we'll go Haunted Mansion this time, probably not.
My controller just fell on my sink.
Ow. Wait, what did I say? Ow.
Nothing happened to you.
It's a BBB. It's a BBB.
Fuck
Ruby.
you, man.
No, that's not crates. That's not crates. That's not a crate. You don't pick that up. Oh! Not every crate.
Eat his ass. Ooh, I dropped my crowbar.
What do we get?
Yep. What? Duplication!
What?
I don't want that.
Let's go. This is pretty scary. This is pretty spooky. Spooky, scary.
I'm gonna get you copyrighted.
No, I mean, I'm not even making money off it anyways. I don't care. I got copyrighted on my first out of context video.
Oh, fuck.
Wait.
I'm getting called from... Oh. Cardi B is calling me. What do you want, bitch? Shut up. Okay. Cardi B wanted me to come to her gaff.
Yeah, I just don't though, cause we're playing this.
Cardi B wanted me to come to her gaff and make my fumble.
What?
I politely declined.
No, you didn't.
As a gentleman.
That was not polite at all.
Why is he always in this corner, man? Look, a sad little kid.
Ew.
Boom!
Boom!
Banana!
Boom!
Oh my god, where's... Die. Oh, Mimic died.
What
No, he
is he
didn't.
doing?
No, he didn't.
Shoot him!
Wait,
Shoot him! Shoot
chicken.
him!
Go chicken, go chicken, go chicken. We gotta... Brody, you gotta jump him! Jump his ass!
Oh my god, get a wreck! No, wait, no, never mind. That's not ever crate. We can't. Run!
Mother trucker!
No crates! Where are the crates? Yay!
I do honor.
Oh!
Actually, no.
Bro. Revolver! Why is this game lagging so bad? What's going on? Oh no!
I don't know.
This game is
Oh,
lagging.
Cardi B! Piss off!
Get a load of this guy.
Wow. Get a load of this guy.
Get a load of this guy. Get a load of this guy.
Wow, he's cool. Get a load of him.
Get a load of this guy. What the flip?
Are you fucking serious?
No way! Why is there so many golden monkeys? Nah, guys, don't worry. We will make a video on this area and showing how we can get so much money in this area. But for right now, bye bye.
No,
What are we gonna do? How are we gonna get back out?
I got a plan.
We can't get back out.
I got a plan. I got a plan.
I have a revolver. I have a revolver.
Wait, my plan is...
No, I have a revolver.
Bomb!
No! A crate just spawned there.
Are you gonna
a crate
keep-
just spawned there.
Are you gonna explode?
Oh! Oh my god. What the frick? Oh, dynamite!
Brody, beat his ass! Beat his
No,
ass!
the game is lagging so bad. What's going on?
Kill the chicken!
Kill you. Yay. No, doesn't. No. Please leave me alone. Yeah, no, I opened it.
What does this do?
Oh, it's dynamite! No! No, don't throw it! Throw it! Throw it! Don't.
Volume warning.
Throw it! Throw it!
Oh my god!
Throw it! You're gonna explode! Oh, you're so dumb. Just throw it. Don't actually die. No, don't die. Don't die. Don't die. No, honestly.
Is there any more crates? I'm just gonna let Cardi B ring out because she's getting too jealous of my other girls.
Cardi B is not gonna ring me.
Yeah, she's ringing me though.
Okay, well, I'm what?
I got Cardi B on my phone.
Bro, get a load of this guy.
Bro, get a load of this guy.
Is that a flare gun? Are you freaking kidding me? Oh! No, don't use that. It's gonna explode the second that you unload it. Run! Oh my god, don't die again.
Guys, this is the end of this cave. See you in the next.
Okay, we kind of forgot about this side of the cave. But yeah, we still have no flashlight, so I don't know what we should do.
Oh yeah, true. So let's just.
Yeah, guys. I'll cut back whenever we come back with flashlights. Okay, guys,
Right,
we
cut.
are back with the flashlights.
Don't ask how.
Wait, he floating?
Aye.
Wait a sec. He's actually proper floating. Watch. He's just gonna float by.
If Cardi B rings me again, I'm gonna block her.
No! Grab the pipe, beat him up!
Wow. Get a load of this guy.
No!
Why me? Ow, ow.
Get a load of this guy. Yeah, I killed him! Yeah!
Get a load of this guy.
Oh, is this better? I think it is.
Yeah.
Let's find
Okay,
a
let's
place.
search. Let's search this cave. Hopefully, we don't find any gay toys.
Why is there so much loot in here, but there's no crates? There's so much loot, but not a single crate. Are you joking? Are you kidding?
My party was litty last night.
Okay, bro. Stop. You're not Livy done.
Brody, we've never looked. What's down here?
Where?
Here.
Yeah, bro. There's nothing to look at down here. What? What?
There is.
We've never looked down here. Down where? Under here. Oh no, underwear. Oh crap, he's right
My
there.
second JB. So badly. Oh my god. Wait, Brody, stop. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back, bro.
Yeah, no, there's no even point. She has no crates, so I'm not even gonna call. For God's sake! Stop dying! Well, guys, this is like the second or third area, I think.
Ah! Okay, let's go.
What was that? Okay, let's go. I think there's a flashlight down here for you, Patrick.
Alright, thanks, bro.
No! What's on your
Oh,
flag?
big bunda! Yes! Yeah, partyga! She got the bunda!
Has Cardi B called you again or no?
No, bro. What does that do?
What?
Cardi B! Fuck's sake!
Stop calling Cardi B.
Okay, blocked her.
Cardi B, you've got to stop calling him.
She got a gap. Run!
That's
Get
right,
a
I'm
load
just
of this
gonna
guy!
sit outside of Beyond.
Get a load of this guy!
Oh, boom! What?
Woo!
No, we're selling it. No. You're so bad. You're actually horrible.
Did I not hit him?
No. What the? Okay.
I'm back.
Well, we have thing for the crate challenge. Where's your flash? Oh, there it is. Your flash is right there.
My controller's vibrating. I think I broke it.
Look, you see that? You
I
see
whacked
that
it
one
off.
over there?
Where?
Right there.
I'll do the mission, sir. Our mission,
No.
sir.
No. Just don't move.
Fuck you.
Don't move! Don't move! You're so dumb. Don't move. Beat him up. Don't move! Oh my god.
Whoa.
No, you can't use it. You can't use it.
Oh man, can my controller stop fucking vibrating?
Okay, buddy. Okay, well that's just not nice.
Did I break it or something?
Yes.
Time to go. Ouch.
Patrick, no, come back. Patrick, my light just got flung somewhere. I can't see. Help me, Patrick, come back. Help, come back, I can't see.
Ow!
I literally can't see.
Take this. Take this. The light's in your bag. The bag.
No, it's not. I think I flung it with the thing. With the shield.
No, it's in your bag. Trust me.
Ah!
What?
We lost a very beloved person of the community.
Oh shit, you're right behind me.
Ah. What are we ever gonna do? Throw the grenade. Just down there. Just throw it down there. Ah! Why did that blow up so fast?
Where is
All
it?
the crates, man.
I can't see! I got a puppy. I'm done.
Where is he? I actually can't find him. Oh, I heard him. He's in there.
Look this way.
No, I know where he is. He's over there.
Yeah, but just look this way. Look that way. Oh, I can't see.
He's in there. Yeah, I told you. Right there. Oh my god, you're so bad.
Doesn't matter. He's not in our way. Don't go down. We need one
We
crate.
have no more crates. There's no crates in here.
No crates, no critters.
There is no crates. No. What are you doing? No, but see, no. If you make him goblin, I'm running. But I'm running anyway, so. Yeah, we're gonna die in parkour. I don't know why we went down here. I really don't know. No. Don't make it.
Do you think I could rock climb over there?
Not at all. No, I really don't. Yes. Oh no. We can do this, man. Where do we go now? We nearly died.
Let's go here.
Why?
I want to check what's inside. I
I
can't
actually
see.
don't know what's in here.
Oh, it's just an exit, I think.
You think?
Oh well, let's just exit then.
What is the point of this? Oh yeah, at least we don't have to die to get our stuff back.
Okay, Haunted Mansion next.
No, we do goblin thingy. Mimic cave.
Oh. Okay.
I don't think I'm gonna do Haunted Mansion this time because it just takes too long. The noticed. My lies made me feel like I would never try. I turn off my light because Angler here is actually attracted to light. I think I might die.
I'm here.
Ghost lady's here, what?
Great.
I'm running. I'm a survivor.
It's great.
Whoa!
Wait, for good luck, let me put my plunger on it.
Plunger.
Get a
Oh,
Get a
my
load
whole
of this
game
guy.
just froze. What the fripp? Sell all this. Sell all this. We have to sell all of it, bro. Put it in the bag. Put it all in the bag. What just happened? Emery,
the money in my ass.
No, we just need to put every single thing in the bag that we got. Oh, you just froze.
Any more? Get
I
Joe.
don't see any.
Should we just get out? Oh, fuck. Get Joe.
This bag is too heavy. Ah!
Ow!
Why am I lagging so bad? Oh, I think we should just get in.
Oh!
No, Angular's gonna come here.
Angie baby.
What are you trying to get?
Angie baby.
So hurry down the chimney tonight. What are you doing? Oh my god. So dumb.
We'll bring him home with us.
No, I'm not in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, now let's sell all this stuff. Now, in this new update, you can literally get anything out of crates, so... Okay, I might take that revolver. What the frick was I? How much money do you make from crates? The bad crates? From bad crates? From crates that didn't have like proper stuff in it?
Okay, well...
No, them crates just didn't have stuff that you could like actually proper sell. I mean, we got a revolver out of it. Bro, what are you doing?